I love garlic. I probably use garlic every day. Fresh garlic is my friend, but I know many of you struggle with peeling and mincing it, and you are looking for shortcuts. So before we get to the substitutes you can use and those you can't, let's talk a little bit about where garlic flavor comes from. You give it a sniff, the head of garlic has actually no aroma. You are creating garlic flavor and aroma with your knife. You simply go like this, and suddenly what has no flavor and aroma has a ton of flavor and aroma. What's happening is that there are flavor molecules trapped within the cell structure. And when the knife cuts through the cell walls, suddenly these compounds can combine and create something called allicin. Allicin is the thing that makes garlic so amazing. So that will explain what works and doesn't work when it comes to the substitutes. So let's start off with the dried things, granulated garlic and garlic powder that you can keep in your pantry. Now these are fine in a spice rub where fresh garlic would burn, but they don't have the same flavor as fresh garlic because that flavor compound that is created by the knife is fleeting. And obviously dried products do not have fresh garlic flavor. So they have a place in the kitchen, but they are not a substitute for fresh garlic. So you may be thinking, okay, let's get something closer to fresh garlic. We have minced garlic here, or garlic paste in a tube. We actually tried 5 different brands, and frankly, they were all pretty terrible. There were 2 problems: no garlic flavor and very sour. Now the no garlic flavor is coming from the fact that the chemical reaction that produces the flavor occurred when this was minced or turned into a paste months ago, and it's long gone. The sourness is coming from citric acid. They need to add that as a preservative. So basically all you get is tartness, no garlic flavor. Enough with the bad news, let's have some good news. Whole peeled cloves. This is Spice World brand. We liked it quite a lot. Other brands, unbranded supermarket brands, can be fine as well. 2 things I want you to do. I want you to look at the cloves. So I'm going to actually pick this up. I don't want to see any discoloration or bruising because that's a sign that the garlic is over the hill. Second thing is, and this is going to look a little odd, but I want you to do this at the supermarket. Give it a sniff. If it's damaged, you can actually smell the garlic through the plastic. This, no smell, good to go. It's a great option. And finally, an even easier option that doesn't even require any mincing or chopping. This is frozen pureed garlic. We tested this brand, Dorot. We really liked it. Has wonderful garlic flavor. Now you may be thinking, why does this work and the other products don't? It's flash frozen within 90 minutes of being pureed. So that chemical reaction is preserved, as is the garlic flavor. The other thing is because it's frozen, they don't need the citric acid, so it doesn't have any of that tartness in it. It's just garlic, water, salt, and oil. Super simple to use. You just take it out of the freezer and you see these little cubes. You just pop out one of them. Pop it out, and that's equal to 1 clove of garlic. Pop it out again, 2 cloves. Oh, this is fun. So there you have it. For those of you who don't want to be dealing with fresh garlic, you now have options.
Thanks for watching Cook's Country from America's Test Kitchen. So what'd you think?
Leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or just say hi.
Now you can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
Alligator.